Paladin was what I said. In Tizoka, the 10 rules and the 10 laws of Jesus, and how can the 10 commandments of God are 20? And son about the Levi Satanas rules are as they Satan, they are 11. The rules are and laws, I say the power of Rias, 31.
Ghana adehye mahwefo ene matiefo be chiacha mu nyina ewo Yesu Kristo edimu ene nso mesama mo akwaba eba too much gh eso eyamosonfo Michael ena mesana mo ehye na menimu di ehye mu se ya na ensem a ekọ atwi ekọ abraman na mede ebrema mo bibia ache na adwen afa eho sunsuma intasem dwumadia na otwe bia mede bremo no eno nso na ne edusu a mesande eden ebremu ene yebekasa afa satanic rules eho bronsam emra owoma yen ekristofo na ene yenya odifu kase bi hanum se ya yene no ebetwetwe nkomo wa kire sa emra yi nyina eden ase ene dwumadi a edi ewo yabra boma edi enya etime semre no ma mentwa me ho mra na me ba yede nkomodidie no ebehihye so.
Too much GH. We did that cause Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I love you.
Adofo Madam Asepa ese mwanya abotre amama sign etwa me ho aba. Yede nkomodedie no ebehye so. Ene yenya sofopon kese odifo kese bi wo ye nchen e wo hanum se a ye frɛ no prophet abandoned ha oda alive prayer ministry ano alive prayer ministry ano ayewo kumase tafo ono na wabeka yensa ewo hanom a eno no ebetwetwe nkomo yi entian kos odifo nchen ne eno no eni nkomo odifo ena so ye mo akwaba eba edwumadi so say Jesus boko dey odifo de bia na amaye for secret ne say we dey o ko dey say secret o ka kire me amaye fe pa amaye fe odifo we ya ene wadi ahia we dey ye pese odi ewura honhom odi ewura honhom pa if you say yewo nyame emra wo enso ya tese bronsam so ne emra wo odifo de bentia
Amena ahwefo ne tifo ase se dandan nyom de bre na ohwe me onyankopon onhyira de ewom nse de be me kama asem se asase obidia nti se okotu ko baabi na se bebe kro na okoye no obidia nse emra ewo dem jo to jase
Matias
nse emra ewo sana okọ heaven na emra wo heaven Ajase enu na Moses ekoje mransem ayedunu ele ba asase su erode di sa mransem dunu ele ma Moses sana Yesu so ba ya no de ne nsem aye mransem ayedu e ba the major do Ajase
Matias
the laws of the New Testament the make say Jesus the Bible also de ne ba se ne ejan de ne de ma Moses de ba di ba sana so na Yesu ba de ne de ba ana hun se asasi suwe and ewiase we e Satan ya
we Satan ya na sense yasum nyankopon ese yasum Satan
amenche wade Every ball Lucifer or the prince of angels or turn Satan and not pound for na ba asasi su omun ahonhom om di kan ba asasi ansa ni pebe
sa
oh yes
dinese ansana adebo ebe ba no nyankopon bo oba ene be man which is Adam and Eve no na Satan e di kan ba wiase da
wa ba Lucifer le Satan ma ba da say abele Lucifer ye ku ti awrade so dey right be ba form ah ni abo form ko prepare anyi ya man awrade to mba sase su ajase anje ansele awrade na abo fortena se e ba dwene se da bi the Lucifer na pound for yi am pe ade bi e sombo e chen won am form na sase su Now we say Garden of Eden is not what I see so. The metro what I say. Aha. Inti Abra Lucifer Satan by no. And a nipa bebano, not Lucifer and Satan and what I see so. Don't pass assassin, assassin your man now. But yes, Lucifer. It's Lucifer, our Mira, a war. But to them to what I say. Then Yakupons one in Mira, Manema, same when you Sunny Satan, and Satan's one in rules. I say this was Sunny, this one, I won't say rules now. A bad thing says Satan will be young. To them to what I say. How do you yeah, what yes, I see soon. He said, and Mira was I see soon. The man saying it yet, the man at the same man a dear. When say assassin will be the boy. They will be the boy, they will say assassin, and no media. Nippon or boy, and never know the two assassins, so I'll see this.
For as I see, I can say Satan, the idea, with you from no yarding. If say Yanko by the wheel, or Bob Bema wheel, or Swama Bema to me. Oh, I did boy in a day, that's all. That's a Satan, dear Benty, and Yanko Cassette, or the 2 minutes of Bemansa, because yes, you said in him say, Nippa and a 2, I did Bob, never Nico when Nippa and 2D. It is that time, I say, Satan, dear Benty, Yanko Cassette,
a Radiama Nippa to me, or a day now, so a yet not Satan met me solidity our money. But the Demeter was out to me, Master Nazi, I give for it. Say, a Radiama Nippa to me, a broad day now, so, and yet then a Satan, it's young, it's many Patterson.
There's no more that I am.
And I go on and let that down. I dare say, woman said, so person go school. School now, quiet, say, I was schooling. I see this so. Now, when say, I did be a cause of spiritual, and I appear physical, may any pie, so ye movie. I dare cause of soon, and the peer on the now a baby pass side, near and so ye be up and we are say, so. And the go school, near do admission was schooling. That's it, lost and rules were schooling. Now answer now with my school, man. This is this one, said my school, man. Obey this school, obey this. Obey this one. Sign we are no person tell we are not devious, not this Satan, so unless Lucifer has Satan in rules and regulations now, a crown. Send ye would be very careful what Brabum said. Sad doing a year, Lucifer Benjamin one, to men. When I say me, Lucifer Benjamin, but men, when I say me, now Lucifer when when I say me, Satan's one and but one who sad in Yana, the baby could to quine. I'm a Satan when you're one. Paladin was what I said. In Tizoka, the 10 rules and the 10 laws of Jesus are. And how can the 10 commandments of God are 20? And son about the Levi Satanas rules are. As a Satan, they are 11. The rules are and laws, I say the power of Rias, 31.
There's a Bronsam dear, and in your point, no, see you winning. I said, what you for Yanko point, dear, do a crown. A year, they will say, oh, Casamuno, what say I do? And so you do, and I, your dear Dumao, ya sorry fee. Now, so do you crown, Yaminipa, yet miniso, to dear Benty, and ye coffin Yanko point in a disso. Yes, I'm for Bronsam dear in a disso. If it don't say, Sa a do no, Yamini my say, if you will now quite ye. Them just what I said. If you will now quite ye, not Satan, That was what I said. It is about me this side a duniswa, and now Yamia Kwan is in Yami Opese, and Nassim or Shama Mini Patterson. They say me this. Do this who is wrong, said Satan, so many TBS are Riasianos, and men are Senate here. Because said, Oko school. Now, Lucy was a school man, and one of the 2 on. A school pen for Prometheus, a grand 3, a 4. The old person is a coin, not trust Kumasundria. As a woman, piano regulations, I would be a say, I said, old school Madiaba. And then who was a money pattern and said, Open Dimeti, Udimachi, not even Nantia, me rules and regulations in Nipa, would this was send a meal ratty, between 1 and 2. And as a woman said, assassins, and Satan at it. They said, Satan and Satan, dear. As a moon Satan in rules and regulations, so a crown, send a million to Quambi, not on Sunyam. The major of what does it? It is a woman upon there now. Then can be a dear man. And a moon Satan, there's any time beyond Satan or Timmy.
Emma on. La Satan dance no, or Yema Nipantem. Because that's what my see. Satan rules, and Yema Nipantem. Nipantem, yes, and he pass it to him. Say, Obidu called Joshua. On from a brand Satan rules in Enya.
Nuntina, almost sorry, almost say, Yabo Bidiana, a home dear Sam,
because rules of Satan, only what from Nipan, and a Nipan from Alfonso, it was Satan realm. Pardon, John, what I said. The Satan Mirano, or a yem, or yes, a better Nipantem. It is all from Simon, not Satan, I will send Nipan, no sell. But Yamaman, dear, and yes, man, they would this one, Moko than was street, a walk on me, now quite in a near, send him to be a rabbi out to your mouth. But Satan rules Nidia, or Yaman Nipantem and Nipa, a boom. It is our rules, Nina, 31. I say Nipa be a wound, so soon. Umu Yakupon dear, Mu Obane dear, number who Satan so dear, and the born to another now. The uncle Fukobia and was as usual. Omutini invented a day free posse. No could Satan, I could permit no sign, not Negina dear, I'm not their phone, I'm the bass as usual, not being implemented. To be implemented with short period of time wasn't a GBS chef and engine. I told you the straight back side of it. Your short abbreviations go on, man. So man can't find general says, short abbreviations, you know. Your soon smell touch that you won't believe it. Your short abbreviations go on, boss crowd, or hype, who praises Satan, they praise Lucifer, you don't know. And so people saw your computer war, but there could be a company brand beer. And I'm so soon 15 months, no, Satan, Gina, dear. Not their funny mood, their facade couldn't send out upon or Babylon, we asked the big man, I did here, number for 2 years.
The what kind of calculus say? That's it. Because if you are saying with you, oh, Padia, a G, a buy a G pa, a insa, a insa, and a G pa, and dear, a G pa. Then Uncle Ponzo can say, what's in your menu now? Why then? Am I? So what I say, it's nice, insa a G no, or Mama de Bana a G no, because Uncle Patton one day and so I then. What's home? So what I say, is a GD there, they been tea, and I didn't go what's home. Now, Bronsam, a honor, Ede, Yakodi to me, a demon I did it. That's a radical. What's in your menu now? One, and don't just say what's in some, and say you difference. You're a political one, you're not called a then I'll come. I dear, as any person said, I did be a free a general baby, and I had a pack. I dare be afraid of baby at the park. I dare a free Satan baby at the bonnet. You can not chess, yes. But I don't know what I say. It's the Ogo for Kobu on ma. I'm somebody brand be baby as here. I'm more consult to Satan. Imagine a Gina, the Gina facade brand so not their baby as. But I don't know what I say. It is the Ogo for Kobu on ma said. Ya can't want to say, I dear baby as brand your baby as. Yes, Bonnie be. And brand and the Gina Jane themselves couldn't you won't believe it. But they never told you as so be a tree. Obia de tree, who jet over Cassasam, over you know, Sabia, and I dare beg the skin of P. Oboa, or high police for the sake of Napalm. This opens all train grassy, now who would train grassy, a train grassy child, whom the 10 commandment are a free organism, whom the 10 laws are a free urbanism. Now the level satanic rules are a free Satan. Say ya boom only ni public trans because 10 commandments no, and the 10 laws of Jesus no. Only na or the man ni pass ni public who no grade aquine no diso. Na na nyet ma so nipa. Na Lucifer so je asase so ya memedia. Si asase so person me tran ye dia, e se wo memera. Se na memera me nyam. Di ma shede
so. Di ma shede so me nyam.
That's it Nyankopon ye no no so ye bi.
Oh yeah, was as you are. It is one who named Rana, Entambia, who from Nipa, the Nipa will be a Benyaw. Answer and spirit is when you be so not Officiano and now, or Shas and Muso differ. The laws of the said councils wound you. Did there be able to consume my sitter when young?
What differ? With ye paint you mukakra. So here, the 10 commandments of Jesus Christ now. And the rest name. And yet now, catch them say. Bronsam, Satan, Lucifer, ono so ne mra anka menim da ti we de wo sabeke a wo nim hunhum yi de me pese ka obetime ya den e de mra ne bi den atudwa matiefo enso e den ehu mra ne wa church mu den kakra ye besere wa because
mami kama konfanche we secret when shame abandon that you never know this untimi musali and then me ka tell say your painful one was a sure relation that him gen ni intercession dia mo o dem do that just to dey yem ko o say ba kuni we be the man free o say do not give opinions or advice unless you are asked.
Hey, any benefit say o go to say obi to the bar for na dia to go to you.
That is it. It is o go to say obi no obi din kobo no man ho kwan na o fi pe ko be won ko tuma kusu say din bi si
and asem na wo pama o.
It is a etokwa nko ba na ebufo ba na obi twitsika ana so etokwa ba na oprawa satan sunsun me na ye adwuma o because ade bi efre de ni ba pia e ya nipa
Eti nipa mienu timi nya ntokwa na de okopata ni mu mako no mo ko mo ntokwa
because ye sreo obi asreo
na se wa na do ho
wa do wa na do ko bo sana mo se menya ti mo janzu hwegu for my satan etafre e fa de ye ni me wa because mu mo ja na ni ji hey how does it do they hear this one I say if a guest in your home annoys you show them respect or else do not go there. If a guest in your home annoys you show them respect or else do not go there.
Would you for where your bro argument here?
This is all be fear. That's a people call it fear. Over respect man na enko. Because okwa ya de na the bufu no time be on the bow prawa enko baby because the fear. And if na in the part say man ho na mfam e ka say ukọ feeling kokko a your people to me you go talk authority okọ fear enko baby obo to ko enko baby because the fear no kon na ko. It's idea set ahyehyɛ no ɛna ɛba first kama yɛ nipa so yɛ di so but sade nyina sunsun mra
na sɛ o hwɛ mra bi a yɛahye wo wiase a yɛ di so a wotimi sɛ ɛyɛ Satan
na sɛ Satan ntsam to obu on ma ɔne Satan na gyina de Satan gyina de wo ti ɔbɛ sɛ ɔdi di na nipa hu na ɔkɔ Satan na Satan na gyina de afa nipa ni mu nti asna Satan na gyina de bɛ ma ɔno on na sheje church be say wasase so e na be bo ma nipa hu be bo ma odidi o dem do just
Matthias e body for
yeah ni one ma o ti vias na o si un pet Satan na always be am Satan enyaw o nu nipa ntama da be am na de tin bo obi dua obi tin bo obi dua o na dua bo na nya dentia o se obi ye Christoni e tin bo dua na dua bo na nya dentia one the 10 commandments no ni so. 2 the 10 laws of Christ no onisu and stand about the 11 satanic rules of Satan so oni into afun na sunsun no we so afun Satan man to obedi no but dem just watch us it is sanyo ma we nyina no ese hu se assassin obi dia se obi dia dia mra be na was assassin so man be chi akwana menhwe the young short abbreviations na bebre na ese abaso baby abanam bia ye bo etu adi akire enam say ya ja ba wiase ni ye di so enfa de say low say mo kan
low laugh over laughter
sa mo kan
sa ne ka
sa mo kan but yes
hey odi for
yes
e bo ka sa yes na we dey nim say me chat and I send message na me
anytime bia you can boss until anytime be boss dey no praise Lucifer.
Eh ene say ye na eboni asofo na eboni
amintira wade ye wa intasem bo ha ye di fa manipa but intasem bo on ma de ye kakra bi ne de manipa nipa bia obosa de kasa de na no bia o praise Lucifer ti nipa bia obosa de bia LOL mo friends
laugh over laughter
but yes sir amintira the meaning I say Lucifer our Lord Lucifer our Lord. But on say bebre him say they can say
laugh over laughter.
But here it's never true. Open the power fan of it pa Justin Bieber. But tell you shoes how well but that Justin Bieber in the source. In the secret society initiating you don't know. And after so YOLO.
You only live once.
You movie
you only live once. And they say you move here.
But it doesn't mean that Meka interest me say youth obeying Lucifer's orders youth obeying Lucifer's orders.
Nese baby abegina aka ebia wona mase o yolo aba efe yolo
Who
aba
praise Lucifer?
so ka yolo na nese
Who praise? Mani ka tell say ko baby no obi ya ade na on tiasia enye bi because obo no or the company or the brand be beggars because say the nipa do ehwi ana didi o wiase ni ka say nipa susun bone na tire mu njobo ko pe Lucifer na gina ade no da to sa brand no the beggars so say the be nipa nyina gia tum na ma nipa hu sa de kro no so Satan yes side na den the man wia na Satan kire ne say fa side ebra
Odifo we dey menyindi
na me no mean
Odifo me twa ba menyindi if you say you are a Christopher be pray oh ha omo introduce omo into certain business omo de babonten enso aginipa na te say Christopher omo so omo wo secret society na omo de Christopher na katakata omo ni mana we go ni wiase fon kwa na
na only nipa omo ti omo pretend as it omo ye hands omo yesunfo I did for na so called prophet of God for now they be omo dey for atom be brain na yesuntum dey for be brain na yesuntum dey for your kase go on wo nim say nye edidatem ba wo ka kire panyi be wo ka so aye den o di na tem sanity your kase go a obi dey je ne brand be wiase a the way wo say thinking no na nye ne kind of mentality of this had na ba na ni mentality ti say je o kase go tra panyi na o kan we say enye de no ba panyi be ka tell say wo di matem eno so e just a youth obeying Lucifer's orders na ba kon so ya swag
send swag there
won say bebe atasemobia yes swag or see Satan's wishes are granted. Satan's wishes are granted.
It is a o dress we no ka say o wan e fana ka say me dem wo swag o na so ka say wo swag na je say what granted Satan's wishes amano
rest e to me and na Bible ka say enkwa na wo e ketere so je wo be kan e be na e be enkwa je wo be kan no e na be yira e na ba kon so ya BRB what's right back be right back I mean tell us was it Beelzebub rules below now I can say WTF worship the fallen now I can say ROFL rise our father Lucifer it's your single all man no be the babies no dear or ya who says sad the chrono only any baby what in source here free and so be get na be kabia hu be bia source ni free as no di akire
so di akire a obo ni panama
o high Lucifer ni Satan yes I go no mo di owiase ana
ti mo na mo high Lucifer na say eniama na odi aba bonten no plan ye business so cost
na obi afa ma yelo was yelo as rende
you only
on fa be creating scenes ba ndene ye owiase
obi ahwe
you be be ahwe ko ji side ni free yen kansem yete Ghana yen kansem say kansem a ka only be so Ghana we don't know what will happen here we don't know ti medical ka just obi ya de na say unim ne source a enye bi
we different am we dream I have for so one was small and they would for or kan yasemanga so de ewura honhum mankasa o de ewura honhum wa kire ne ma bebra ye na so ye de enim se etene onyame anim se ye enim se Lucifer plan ye den ye hype na ma ni dwuma de obawia se obedi no ewie peye yes anko odi for and what be any pa what be any pa if you say and never be bro no ma ye enim se aba ene ye bi se enim se na de den ye kwa ko wi
se medical ga jiro se ko so obi ya dia busam se alko na ye na se kire nse ansa na obi bia why bi nto de enko the satanic trinity na hwe dragon obi na Revelation chapter 12 verse number 17 on why the anti-god
etifo we dey besem a sa emre ya ye keken bronsam one Lucifer one na pamfo ne diduma enti odifo ebobobobo enyema ne bi so wi o de quotation no ebe den ebe ka ho ti se wo fie na pese wo ye reference wo kenkan na hu bronsam enyuma ne bia odi for obontu betimi afa pen paper obo quotation na announce wa de wa try to after say wa be program ewie no betimi akenkem enya ho ntia ase bibre odi for
first one dragon your friend anti-god called Lucifer and Satan the man shima make say o call na powerful one e dey the friend anti-god when you know Revelation chapter 12 verse 7 to 17 now the second one is the beast the antichrist beyond the Revelation 13 verse 1 to 10 Revelation 13 1 to 10 the last one the false prophet the anti-spirit o say me can get it say or the no say the dina there ama nipa o me adifo a enam fe dan na ase asusun boni no abetena tra mo so no de adwuma o mo no ko Lucifer mo from the anti-spirit the false prophet for no no de adwuma no fe dan nsem and go on Revelation chapter 13 verse 11 to 17 or Revelation 13 11 to 17 it is the trinity the satanic trinity o mo nam bomba ko obian spirit a krano that beast in TM apokunsi because what is TM apokunsi as a son that spiritually kasi we do achieve abrabo ma
because spirituality and so
oh yes
I trebia so adwe e wo mu different etian obeye wo pa
hey man them just what is
Matthias e body
for ahun miensa with the dragon the beast and the false prophetry and look now obasa see we so Satan na gina dia afa say a deep from tell brother na ase na fi o free brother na ase o de na gina dia form na fi de o mukra the Satan spirit o de ye adwuma nti entro say the krodie say you be fa o yere oh yes o kan be say kun ato ato because em ko be bia Satan na gina dia ato
o di fo asa o bon crofobia chi
o me de mo bi achi dem to me can there exist me can there exist e ko so o be fa o yere who go come say kun ato because we possess Satan's power oh
yes is animal in ebronsam nyuma ni
ebronsam nyuma o possess Satan's spirit Satan no ma dua ni the same power no who go try na sia zon pass be no de dua o nimdie be na o nyam o de ma the now kwan nyina yesuma kwan na o tin na sia ma wuni antina me de be because obi ye na dia pe be bia source no ye de efriba ansa na so ko die eje e kire bi ti on sebu on ma unim se o ka the meaning is say but enya as kire no o ka the hyper Lucifer and Satan how will you know
there's a dragon the highest
oh yes yes a very very dangerous ansa na about the beast ansa na about a false prophet omone no moti asase so abebre be bia sorry
you know we dim komo
bebre bia sorry
na se ko sram
ko na se ko sram pai bo se rade won bo so boa
na se ayare sa o mo se are nua no eye tumi bi no de sa o yare
oh na wo fe
sa yare a
o fe jani na se a usu tumi be na di pala de ye aduma Satan gina de woni de on kan kure o ya za e kontomponi o se aduma o create no na mo fo yele mo da no fan kura o yi mo fe tu como je chegu no etse nsu a no ya uso no nsu
we we bi en
di me pese ni party ase se obi ye na de na onim ni source na ka on tu enkoje kire uni bebi fi bae ndi obo ono bebu se na emra a Yesu so de bae no onim emre do and there is secret but it is tuja emre nti etam ni so nti bobo so na quotations no e ka ho na obi nya timer on so bin Bible na watimasu
you are for emra nyakopon so de ema yen which is the 10 commandments no Yesu dia enya bronsam dia Yesu de ma yen no eno so opa obetimi ehu ebi ewo asomafo nyuma no ti dumie du enson yimu aduno enkron Acts chapter 17 verse 29 obesa hu ebi so Matthew chapter 4 verse 10 Matthew 9 yimu du no obesa hu bi so Timothy huma edikan ti nsia yim ba ko no Timothy huma edikan ti nsia yim ba ko no obesan hu bi enso Matthew nwoma ti du nkron yimu du nkron no Matthew nwoma ti du nkron yimu du nkron no obesan hu bi mu Romans chapter 13 verse 9 Romans 4 nwoma ti du miensa yimu nkron no Matthew nwoma ti du nkron yimu du enwotwe no wonso obetimi enya ebi wo Romans 4 nwoma ti du miensa yimu nkron no wonso emrane bi e wo Romans 4 nwoma ho abiem ti du miensa yimu nkron no wonso kan eba asewa emrane bi esan den e wo no ma obetimi hu ni nyina ana Romans ho abiem so obetimi asem emrane bi e wo Romans 4 nwoma ti enson no yimu enson no ni nyina no obehu emrane bi e wo na wakenkan no wanya ho entiase yi odifo de awura honhum ye de quotation ni mi so atudwa obetimi akan no wanya emu ihumu yi de wonti bia so obetimi elivu o comments e o comment section ase e wo too much television ye comment section ase ni nyina no obetimi ayeden elivu comment wo yenso ye behwe na nchiremu bia wo se de ma e ma wo te eniema se e ma wo hu eniema e koso no ye ni nyina ayeden e be ma wo if say odifo de awura hu ma kire eniema bia ni nim se etene e wo ye ni so nemu nyame mu no eye bone no odifo acheche ni nyina nti ade adwuma e bawie ye besa ko odifo enchen na asema etwato a ode maye no ode ayeden atudwa no wa kire ba bia open so a ubehu no ode na ma so betudwa srebe ya bibi a kire wa adwen bia no ubetime so afre na on na ayeden edi nkomo
ahwe bia o hwe bia se ya buchimemu ananga na hye so how ben ne da so panana atete ben ne da so ope ye fun ya wo ba o yi moje mu yare anas enkrata sem and obi abokwase agi oje pade bi afrunsem my number is 0248 452910 0248 452910 anas 020 6474 258 020 6474 from any entry komo na kaise me do ba de odo pa no ne asafo erade transnase ne erade ehu mo makra
odifo ye do asepa se wo se wo bre ene ebedi enkomo adofo ye dam asenso ewo ebra munya ema yen na mo ne eka ye ho ema ye komodidie eba ewiye nemom obetimi alike ye page ewo YouTube page no Too Much Television o like ye page anu akeke adoma no so say the be a ye live different video bia no ye release near the beto a onso obetimi anya bi no watie no wa hu niam ekoso honhom mu obetimi afollow enso ye IG page nso ewo Too Much GH so yedamase yakramo na otwe sene obesan atienka